In this video, we're going to learn how to record on YouTube TV. You're going to see the three categories on the top: library, home, live. We're going to click on a live show and we're going to add it to the library. To get to this menu, you hit the down button and look for the plus sign, or we can pick something off the live channel guide, hit more info, and add to library. Again, you're looking for the plus sign, or you could search. Just type in any letter, it'll come up. Again, you can search networks, shows, sports, anything. And then you click add to library. To access your library, we're going to go over to the library tab, and everything you just recorded should show up right here. And that's how you record on YouTube TV.